Mirka, a name synonymous with innovation and quality in surface finishing technology, began its journey in 1943 in the picturesque region of Ostrobothnia, Finland. Guided by their motto, dedicated to the finish, Mirka has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the industry. Since 1990, Mirka has been at the forefront of dust-free sanding innovation, transforming workplaces into safer and cleaner environments. With decades of experience, Mirka stands as a world leader in surface finishing technology, offering total solutions that integrate their cutting-edge abrasives, machines, and polishing compounds. Mirka's dedication to innovation and excellence has earned them numerous prestigious awards over the years. Mirka's comprehensive range of products includes dust-free abrasives, both net and film-backed, sanders, which are cordless, electric, pneumatic, plus grinders and hand sanding tools, polishing products including the Polar Shine range, dust extractors, and organisational stations. Mirka continues to innovate with a commitment to renewable and sustainable practices. Mirka's manufacturing processes are designed with sustainability in mind. Mirka continuously seeks ways to reduce waste, recycle materials, and optimize resource use to minimize their environmental impact. Mirka's dust-free sanding solutions not only improve workplace health and safety, but also reduce environmental pollution. Mirka also use recyclable materials in their packaging, further contributing to sustainability. Here's a word from the founder of Best Abrasives, Christian Timms.
Mirka is not a publicly registered business, so they can, subsequently put all their money into, continually developing new and better products. Not only do they spend a huge amount of time and effort and money on the R&D of the tools, the abrasives are another thing that is in constant development. So this is a Syros, which is the world's first brushless sander, and it's still going perfect, but it's still functional like it was day one. So I'll plug it in and show you because I want to. I'm still pretty proud of this machine. Still in perfect working order. So Best Abrasives is a small family business. Mirka is a family business as well. We share a lot of the same values, and definitely focused on our customers having the safest equipment in their workshops and getting the best results.